If wow factor is what you're looking for, wow, have I got a house for you. Where do I even start with this home? It's been renovated from top to bottom. Well over $200,000 has been spent. Here's some of the finer points. Extra large gas fireplaces, we got 2 of them. All the natural light you could need, there's 4 skylights here. A custom built kitchen with 10-foot quartz countertop and a backyard oasis with a pool and 7-man hot tub. The list, it goes on and on. All this, plus it's situated on an extra large lot with mature trees, just minutes from downtown Burlington. What more could you really need?